Hey guys, I'm excited. I'm a hot, sweaty mess because I went out to check my mail. Our mail goes to a cluster box, and so I received a shipment delivery notification. And so I went out to go check my mail. Usually I check it like every 2 or 3 days or so. But anyway, we start here with chapstick. You know this. I am super excited. All right, so the package came in this, and inside of that was this. So for those of you who know the symbol, you know what that is. And the packages were inside of this. Very well packaged. All right, the first thing I'm gonna show you is I bought another Berlin Underground palette. This will be in a future giveaway. I love it so much already. It was on sale still because it's going to be discontinued. And so I'm like, why not just purchase another one to give to someone else that likes grungy looks? So I'm not going to open this one because I already have looks and swatches. Well, not looks, but I already have swatches of this palette. This is the new one. I'm not going to open it. I should just check to see though, right? To make sure nothing is cracked. I was just going to show you mine, but just so you will see. So I just opened it out of the box. I'm going to make sure not to move the plastic sleeve that covers the shadows. And so this is the palette. So everything is intact. So this is going to be set aside with other giveaway stuff. So this is what's mine. Mine, like a little kid, right? Of course it came with a postcard. I know it's backwards on your end, but it says America's Parks. And it has different icons for the different parks. Visit the national parks, it says up here, and then you have all the national parks. Well, I don't know if it's all of them. And there's a stamped message, and then there's a handwritten message. Thanks so much again, because I just purchased my Berlin Underground palette not too long ago, along with the Haunted Europe, which has been shipped, I believe, because they were on back order for the second pre-launch. And so thanks so much again. Enjoy your palettes with a happy face, and it's signed Felicia and Auntie. And so I'm going to cover up my name, which you know is Dion, but it also has my city and state. So this is that. And also, this is just so cute. It's a sticker. America's Parks, Wandering But Never Lost. And I know it's a sticker because you can bend it and this part is sticky. So you have a sticker, you have a postcard and a sticker. Y'all, I am just, the detail that Felicia and Auntie put into their packaging is... I am just like, my mind is blown. So the front of the box, NOMAD, America's Parks. And I did open it because I took pictures already. I was just so excited to look at it. And it has the different national parks on here. Even on the inside of the box, not that I'm going to rip it open, but look at the inside. The box also has national parks icons and pictures on the inside. Who does that? And destination, National Parks USA, coordinates, on the road again. Like, this is so just, I don't even know what to say. Inspiration, it says America the Beautiful. And these are the colors and names of the shadows. And it says here, rich and bountiful eyeshadows formulated with extra fine pigments for majestic color payoff, infused with jojoba oil for smooth and long wearing color. 7 gleaming shimmers, 6 blooming mattes, and 2 shifting metallics, inspired by the lands of America the Beautiful. Cruelty-free, down here at the bottom. Cruelty-free and vegan, no parabens, flattates. Excuse me if I said that wrong. It sounded like I said it wrong. Or mineral oil. Please recycle. Proud supporter of National Parks Foundation. So this is... All right, so this is the front of the palette, which looks like the box, which is awesome. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And the back of the palette, NOMAD Cosmetics, America's Parks Intense Eyeshadow Palette, designed on location, road tripping across the USA, manufactured at labs in China, and it has the grams per ounces type thing. 12 months, this is good for after you open it. Distributed by NOMAD Cosmetics, Dallas, Texas. I was in Texas when I was in the military. I do have family in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but let me get to it. So you open it up, there is a mirror as you can see, and you can see me. So I'm beside myself again. What? And it has Wandering Never Lost right here. Instead of plastic, this one has tissue paper, which is awesome, which I didn't have a problem with plastic, but I know some people do. And these are what the shadows look like. I hope you can see it because I can't. And I know it's weird when I'm peeking around the palette trying to see. These are just so pretty. And each one has an icon or a symbol inside of it. America's Lighthouse has a lighthouse. South Ridge, so this is like a mountain ridge in this one. Big Ben has the NOMAD symbol inside of it. Some of them do have duplicate embossments, and some of them I can't tell what the embossment is. But Old Faithful, which is this one, and Giant Redwoods has a giant redwood tree in it. So this one and this one has a giant tree in it. This is beautiful. I admit to being concerned with some of the cooler shades because I prefer me in warm tone shadows. But I also realized over time that depending on the placement of the shadows, if I mix neutral or cool tone with warm tones, I do like the looks that I get with it. But online, this looks a little bit different and it looks a little bit cooler than it does in person to my eye. And so I do not anticipate having any problems at all with these shadows. It is just absolutely beautiful. I'm anxious to dig in. So yeah, I just wanted to show this to you. It's my new baby. So thank you for watching this video. If you have either the Berlin palette, this one is mine that's in here, and I purposely kept it wrapped because I'm waiting for a friend of mine to receive hers because we're going to do a collab with it. And so this is my Berlin palette. And now I have the Parks, and I'm waiting on Haunted Europe. I can say this is quickly becoming my go-to indie brand, I think. It's just, I'm just floored by the detail that they put into their products. And I have swatched the Berlin palette. The shadows are so smooth. Oh my gosh. I did play around with 2 looks and I'm in love. I'm in love, and it didn't take long. So I'm going to go. I don't want to babble, but thank you guys for being here. If you have either of these palettes or anything from NOMAD, let me know your thoughts on them, and you will see me in the next video. Thanks.